Class 9 Maths Exercise 1.5 के मंग सर question number 6 say if A is equal to 0 minus 1 2 1 and B is equal to 2 3 1 and 0 then show that A B whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse and B A whole inverse is equal to A inverse and B inverse. मंग बराबर उदा part A B whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. ये तो हमका equation number 1 हुआ यो. The equation number 1 बमंग रावलू left hand side of equation number 1 which is equal to AB whole inverse. Now AB whole inverse तो बमंग equation number 2 हुआ यो. दिन बमंग सराशी पहला बमंग AB multiplication find को which is equal to matrix A. Matrix A बमंग सरासा बराबर दे 0 minus 1 2 and 0 and matrix B which is equal to 2 3 1 and 0 उस पर दा multiply को दिन बमंग सराशी 0 multiply 2 0 minus 1 multiply 1 minus 1 0 multiply 3 0 minus 1 multiply 0 0 2 multiply 2 4 0 multiply 1 1 2 multiply 3 6 0 multiply 0 0 then हम सराशी A B which is equal to minus 1 0 5 and 6 उस बमंगा ददी A B inverse find को उन्होंने A B whole inverse बमंग से बराबरी the adjoint of AB divided by determinant of AB. ये तो मंगे equation number 3 हुआ है. उस पर दे मंगा determinant find को the AB determinant मंग सराजी AB determinant which is equal to minus 1 multiply 6 minus 6 5 multiply 0 minus 0 which is equal to minus 6. The AB determinant मंग सराले minus 6 and adjoint of AB which is equal to 6 minus 1 and minus 5 and 0 मंग बा the position change को 6 पर बरलार सी minus 1 बखत राशि और द बस sign change को मंग सर minus 5 and 0 उस पर मंगा determinant of AB and adjoint of AB बराबर पे equation number 3 की बेपुट को equation number 3 की equation number 3 which is equal to AB whole inverse which is equal to adjoint of AB adjoint of AB से बराबर है 6 minus 1 minus 5 and 0 and determinant of AB which is equal to minus 6. तो दिन से final answer राले AB whole inverse which is equal to minus 1 divided by 6 6 0 minus 5 and minus 1. दा मंग सर राले the left hand side of equation number 1. The equation number 1 मंग सरा left hand side राले 1 divided by 6 6 0 minus 5 and 0 दा मंग सरा left hand side. उस बा मंग the equation number 1 right hand side रावालो. Taking right hand side of equation number 1 which is equal to B inverse into A inverse. ती तब मंगा equation number 4 हुआ यो पदी के मंगा फैला B inverse find को न B inverse मंग से बराबरी adjoint of B divided by determinant of B and और A inverse पर find को मंग से बराबर दे the adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. उस matrix A बमंगा फैला determinant find को matrix B न matrix B determinant बमंग से बराबर शी 2 3 1 and 0 determinant बमंग से राशि 0 minus 3 which is equal to minus 3 determinant of B which is equal to minus 3 and determinant of adjoint of B find which is equal to adjoint of B which is equal to 0 2 minus 1 and minus 3 दा मंग सराले adjoint of B दगशान बा मंगा inverse of A द पारा मंगा adjoint of A and determinant of A find को determinant of A पर मंग सराशी which is equal to 0 minus 1 2 1 determinant of A which is equal to 0 plus 2 which is equal to 2 determinant of A which is equal to 2. Now adjoint of A which is equal to 1 0 minus 2 and 1 उस पर adjoint and determinant of A बराबर और पर दी equation की में put को नमंग सरा बराशी और the B inverse find को ल पारा बा determinant adjoint of B and determinant of B पर दी equation की put को नमंग सरा बराशी final B inverse which is equal to adjoint of B which is equal to 0, minus 3, minus 1 and 2, and determinant of B which is equal to minus 3. So B inverse which is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 which is equal to 0, minus 3, minus 1 and 2, and A inverse which is equal to adjoint of A 1, 1, minus 2, 0, and determinant of A which is equal to 2. So A inverse which is equal to 1 divided by 2, 1, 1, minus 2 and 0. उस पमंगा दा द्वाना मैट्रिक्स पे इक्वेशन नंबर 4 के फुट को इक्वेशन नंबर 4 नमंग से बराशी 1 डिवाइड बाय 2 1 डिवाइड बाय 3 पदी के पमंगा इक्वेशन बी मंग से बराबर थे -1 डिवाइड बाय 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 and 2, and A inverse is equal to 1 divided by 2 1 1 minus 2 0. The among sarale -1 divided by 6 awas pamanga 0 minus 3 minus 1 and 2 and 1 1 minus 2 and 0 da bakhpal mens ki multiply go. Final bamung sarashi B inverse into A inverse which is equal to 1 divided by 6, so da multiply ko da row multiply ko de column sir 1 0 multiply 1 0 3 multiply 3 2 which is equal to 6, 0 multiply 1 0 3 multiply 0 0 minus 1 multiply 1 minus 1 2 multiply minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 multiply 1 minus 1 2 multiply 0 0 which is equal to 1 divided by 6 0 plus 6 6 rale 0 minus 5 and minus 1 dilta mangsara minus 6 the dina final mangsar razi -1 divided by 6 6 0 minus 5 minus 1 da mangsar rale the B inverse into A inverse the right hand side. Now the left hand side na mangsar rale the left hand side which is equal to -1 divided by 6 6 0 minus 5 minus 1 nadina mangsar rale -1 divided by 6 6 0 minus 5 and minus 1, hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Equation number 1 mangsa satisfy show pai ge mangsa so A B whole inverse which is equal to B inverse into A inverse padi ke mangsa rakam second part te bya the B A whole inverse is equal to A inverse and B inverse. That also find ke same procedure apply ke same tarika kar apply ke